Hey, hey, hey! It's me again! Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Jam, Beginner's Makeup. Yeah! Today we are going to do Sukuna makeup from Jujutsu Kaisen. Without further ado, shall we begin? Yes! Alright! Let's go! Dun, 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 dun. Before we begin, let's go through the materials required for this makeup. First is the face paint, palette that I got from Art Friend, and the brush. You will only be needing actually two colors, red and black. So now, first step is to apply some base makeup, which I'm going to do some foundation. Cover up my blemishes, make it easier for me to do the face paint later. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm using some light foundation on certain parts that I want to highlight. Yeah. And yes, cover the eye bags. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's off the fan. Then I blend. And blend. You know how those influencers always have the egg shape, the blender, but I don't have that. So, why are you making this face? And what is this face for? Okay, it's to so that I can see my non-existent cheekbone and make my face, my jawline smaller. Contouring is very important. Alright. Some more. Okay, is there a difference? Maybe a bit, yeah? I think I contoured my nose too, but I didn't catch that on camera. So what's the next step? The next step is to... alright, eyebrows. Eyebrows is very important because we are going to have the very intense look. So both eyebrows are done. And the next step will be eyeshadow. So I'm using this red or orange eyeshadow. Let's go. Wow, okay, now that's a close-up of my eye. In case you guys are wondering, that yellow patch on my eye is caused by overexposure to UV light. So kids, wear your sunglasses whenever you feel like you need to. Take care of your eyes. I think my decision to invest in this lens is good, but my autofocus is not really autofocusing. And apply the base makeup to the bottom too. It is to add some intensity to the look later on. I try to copy from the Koreans. Those K-pop idols, they always have some colors at their lower eyelids. So yeah, copy from the best. I think I can still see some of my blemishes. Oh yeah, so I'm trying to cover it. Okay, so now I added some shimmer to my eyes. I probably added some purple eyeshadow too. The next step would be to eyeliner. Oh, you gotta be very careful with this step. Okay, slowly. Shh. Yeah, go very slow and steady. Oh, you can see that I'm trying to draw a little bit of the wing. Okay, let's just finish the... what's that? Okay, yes, slow and steady. Go. Alright, so now for the cat eye wing. Go. Okay. This is intense. Okay, that looks good. So far so good, yo. Very nice. And I also color my bottom eyelid. Yeah, this will make my eyes, the shape of the eye more eye-catching. Yeah, that sounds like a pun. No. And I also added some eyeliner to the inner eyelid. Oh yes. Okay, fine. You look more fierce now. Ta-da! And yeah. What's that? That's so ugly. No, don't blink. Okay. But actually, the more you look at it, the better it looks. So I drew another line. I highlight my double eyelid. Alright, so that's for the eyes. I have no fake eyelash because, I don't have one. Now I am painting. What am I doing? I'm painting the red color. In this step, I'm already using the face paint. And also for the lower lip, what I did was to add more, to extend the cat eye wing with red color. It's about the same with whatever I've done just now, but just using red. Okay, not too bad. Alright, I think one eye is bigger than the other somehow. But okay, you say good then good lah. Yeah, after the red lipstick, it looks better. Now I'm taking brush with water. And I'm going to start with the face painting. Alright, most important step, dab away extra water on the tissue first. Oh, here goes. The first step that we are going to forehead. So it's a little bit like a eye drop shape, but not entirely. I want to edit something, but I don't know how to. That don't look too good. Okay, now it looks better. Oh, I love the eyes that I drew below my eyes. Does that make sense? So my lines are not very refined, but I think it's fine. So yes, I'm going to continue drawing. I'm at the cheek now. Oh, why are you making that face? Okay. Can you stop hiding behind the mirror? I cannot see what's going on. While you guys are watching me, I'll just take a chance to do some self-promotion.
This video is done for the sake of the cover of Kai Kai Kitan and more frequently for shorts. My channel is updated every 2 weeks for long videos. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video after this.
Apart from base covers, I sing She's a moyo, need to get it, and I don't dance. As you can see, I feel that my eyebrows are not black enough after drawing so many lines, so I went on to use black face paint, to touch up the whole eyebrows. I just really want very intense eyebrows, right? I see that. Oh my god, that's a mistake. But it all looks good. So don't block don't block. Okay. Oh, whatever that's happening at the jaw looks pretty good. Eyebrow is very ugly though. Can you like fix it? Fix the eyebrow, fix it. And then now I'm trying to draw some lines below my chin. When you read manga, there's always some shadow that they draw at the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to create that fake shadow, which is that triangle. If you don't understand, next time you go and see manga, they always have that shadow below at their neck. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to start drawing lines on my own body. Okay, so the next part is really fun to draw, but it does bother me a little bit. It's like a lightning, like Pikachu. There you go, the Pikachu lightning sign. Fill the colors in. Color. Yes sir, done. Ta-da. Alright, the ends is not very nice. Now moving on to the arms, I got to draw a big circle. If you have not tried it, drawing this circle is very hard. It's already hard to draw one perfect circle on a piece of paper in front of me. It's even harder to draw a circle on your own arm. Ready to fill in the colors. Okay, so this is the completed look of my first time trying anime cosplay, I guess. Not really cosplay, but yeah, makeup, I would say. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video and please subscribe for more.